Hey guys, good morning and Merry Christmas. Today is going to be the first in a series of videos that'll go on for the next couple of months on the builds down in Dauphin Island. We're building two ICF Monopour pools on light deck, on pilings, on stilts above the beach, elevated concrete pools. We've started that process already. We did that this week, and just kind of getting everything started. It was a crazy hectic week, and I had to drive down with the first load of gear and meet the piling guy to lay everything out. And so I had to go, what's normally about an 11-hour drive took about 14 and a half with the first load because it was crazy light, styrofoam and everything. Took that down, was on site for less than 24 hours and headed all the way back home. And I'm heading back down day after Christmas. So we're with a bigger load with my skid steer and all my equipment. I'm going to get started cutting off the pilings to grade and some little ancillary forming and bracing. And then the crew's rolling down on January 1st. We're going to get them going. And every week I'll just have progress videos kind of getting into the engineering of it and really the details of how we do it. We also have acrylic windows in these pools, and we'll get into the engineering of that. So they're really cool projects. I'm really excited over the next couple months to bring all that to you. I'll just mention really quick before I take you to all the little videos from this week. ICFguru.com, we still have a couple spots left for the training on the second pool down there in February. Also the pool kits, we still have free shipping for another week on those. So, go to ICFguru.com, and I think we even still have really good closeouts on the year-end closeouts on one or two more hot tubs. I think we're almost sold out of hot tubs till the beginning of the year, but we still have those. So just go to ICFguru.com and hit me up on anything you're interested in with the contact form, and me or Chris will get right back to you. Otherwise, I will. You guys have a wonderful Christmas, and subscribe to the channel, and you can watch all. This will be on a playlist with all the other videos of these builds on down there in Dauphin. So I'm looking forward to bringing it to you guys. See you next time. Hey guys, we're just getting ready to head out for the first trip down to Dauphin Island for these pools. We got a lot more loaded than I expected. Got every bit of the Nudura 1 stuff on. We're about 10 feet tall. Got all the ties and clips and everything for the Nudura stuff here. Got my acrylic walls, both of them. Both my windows are right here. Got the jack for just in case, because it's I've had a lot of problems. You can kind of come this way. But we've had problems on the trips down to Dauphin in the past. As many trips as we've made, it's kind of the law of averages and Murphy's law too. So got all of our fiberglass rebar going, got a bunch more of the Nudura 1 plywood and some of the light deck back here and our jig. So, we got a full load, guys. Got about 700 miles to go. We're getting out of here about 11 a.m. So hopefully we're down there before midnight. It's usually about an 11-hour drive, but with this load, who knows? All right. So I rolled in about 2 in the morning after a 14 and a half hour drive. That's normally about 11. The trailer did real good, but I did have to kind of stop and adjust the straps several times, and I also just couldn't go real fast. So we're getting ready to stand at a buddy's house because we do have people staying in these houses through Christmas. So the piling guy's already there. I'm going to meet up with him now and get started unloading this sucker. Okay, so I got to the houses, and Freddie, the piling guy, was there moving pilings around with his skid steer with forks. So I took advantage of that situation because I was going to have to offload all this by hand. And after that 14 and a half hour drive and looking at another 12 hours home, that was a godsend. So we're putting it all here in this parking area that was kind of eroded in a storm, so we can't really park there anyway until I get down there with my skid. Okay, guys. My 24-hour down and back has been successful so far. See, they got my pilings all moved over to the side yard of the house, and they didn't get it started today. It started raining in the afternoon, but they got everything staked out, and they're going to jet this pool here in the morning. The outer pilings sit right here, and it goes right into this little corner between the landing and the end of the deck here. It's gonna be a nice pool, and if you're standing out here by the water, you'd be looking through a window right there, right up into the pool. And then after they get that one jetted, they'll come over here and jet the ones in this pool. You can see my poor trailer is now empty, And all the gear is stocked under this house for safekeeping until I'm back next week. Okay, due to weather, you can see the waves back in the background and just general wind and timing. I was not able to get a lot of this process on video, although it seems like I'm probably going to get a chance to get the other pool on video because it's not finished yet. But you can see them. What they do is they run a water jet down into the sand and basically blow a hole in the beach, and then they can just slide that piling right down into place. When they turn the water off, the sand, the water drains out of the hole and the sand grabs it, and it is very, very strong. That said, there's a lot of concrete debris on this lot from a house that was there pre-Katrina. They don't let us pour concrete under houses anymore because of that. But I've cleaned it up every time we've had a hurricane since, but I apparently hadn't gotten it all because he spent all day digging out chunks of concrete and old pilings. So he did get this pool done this week, but because of that delay, he did not get the second pool done. Hopefully he'll be back right after Christmas. You can see this video here, this picture. There's where the pool is going to sit at those pilings. Kind of a zoomed in version there. And check out the view, guys. That's going to be from the pool when we get it all done. I cannot wait to bring you this series. Like I said, we're going to have acrylic windows in these pools. They're going to be really, really neat pools. And I'm going to do a video weekly down there up until World of Concrete, which is mid-January. Then we'll do a video from there, and then we'll be back down there finishing the project. So kind of tune in, and I will keep you guys informed.